Hello guys, and as you know we have a new sorry on that. We have a cumulative update preview for Windows 11. It's for version 23H2 and 64 based, and its system KGB as you see 5034848. It's build number and it's new as you see update preview. It's I think came out on 27, but I don't know. On my version is now maybe on the night of course. And now as you see I'm downloading and we'll see what is new and only what I want to say or is if you want to see what is new on this update, subscribe on my channel, like this bell icon, and to get see my new videos. And that will be all guys, and thank you for watching and bye.